Welcome back to the channel today, and we're going to go through the inner workings of the VGR aluminum block. And essentially this is what is going to fire the water and sand into the ground with the VGR TopChanger. So as you can see, this chamber here, as this machine is operational, is where the water is going to fill. And then as you're rolling forward with your machine, the pressure sensor on the front roller is going to tell it to fire. And so that water is going to fire through here, all the way through the nozzle, into the ground. So once the water fires through here, into the cone, through the cone, into the ground, then the sand is going to be pulled from the hopper above, through the tube and this brass nozzle here, back through the cone, into the ground, filling the hole that you previously made or just made with the shot of water. So what this is going to do is going to basically give you a needle tine hole and then filled with sand in one pass as you're working your way across your green, your fairways, your approaches, anywhere you want to get a little more sand and break up some of the compaction that you have in your soil. And so based off of the size of the hole here at the bottom of the cone, it's 10 mil as it starts out. And so anything that you would like to fire through the machine that is 10 mil or less will go through it, whether that be chicken litter, dried seaweed, some profile mix. We've even had biochar and fiberglass shavings go through the machine. Everything fires through fine. And as long, like I said, once again, as long as it goes through that 10 mil hole, it will go through the machine. One of the wear items on your VGR is going to be the ceramic cone, as you see here. And so basically, as this water and sand fire through this cone, one side or another of the edge of the cone, the tip of the cone, is going to wear out. And so what's going to happen is that 10 mil hole is going to get a little bigger and a little bigger and a little bigger, just from erosion of the water and sand being blasted through it at such a high pressure and rate. And so what will happen is, what you'll see as you're moving along your course and looking back at your sand, you'll kind of start to see it elongate a little more, get a little more teardropped on the surface itself. And that's kind of a good indication of it may be time to change out the ceramic cones in your VGR machine.